There you go.
All right, Seagulls called heads for coin toss. It's heads. They're going to defer it.
Welcome everybody to Game 3 of the SSFL. I'm your host Dan, and Week 3 we've got Cyclones versus Seagulls, and we're going to kick things off with a touchdown Cyclones. Cyclones are a new team in Season 2. This is their first game, and catch is good by Sincere, 8-point lead. This is their first matchup in the first game of the season. They got back-to-back games. They got Seagulls this week and next Saturday. What was the Locomotives is now the Tigers. They're going to get kicked out of bounds. First drive for the Seagulls, and Jason looking and cut by Dan. Gets past KK, and he's going to run it in. Touchdown Seagulls. Dan is filling in for the Seagulls. And the Seagulls don't get a 2-point attempt, so they'll be down by 2. Cyclones will get the ball back. Season 2 has been crazy, a crazy start, and it's going to be caught by KK, and he might be able to run it back for a touchdown, but no, Danny meets him there, and he's going to dump it off to Sincere. Touchdown Cyclones. And caught by Joe. 2-point attempt is good. 10-point lead for the Cyclones. First 2 games of Season 2 have been great. Seagulls lost their first game against the Bolts. They were up, but they lost the lead and lost the game. Going deep, and it's going to be caught by Jaden. Touchdown Seagulls. 2-point attempt now for the Seagulls is good. Jaden catches it. Down by 2 yet again. And Sincere is going to get the ball, and he's probably going to run it back if someone doesn't get to him. And Dan's going to stop him. And caught by KK. Touchdown Cyclones. Cyclones up by 8. And caught by Sincere. 2-point attempt is good for the Cyclones. Gonna kick it, and it'll be out of bounds at the 15. Seagulls get another chance to strike back, going deep again, and another great catch by Jaden. Touchdown Seagulls. Game's been back and forth. Going for Dan, but too high, and he couldn't get his hands on it fully. So no good on the 2-point attempt, and they're gonna kick it back to the Cyclones. Gonna dump it off to KK, and he was not gonna get past Jaden. Jason looking, going deep, and caught by Joe. Touchdown Cyclones. 10-point lead for the Cyclones. Jason's looking, he's looking, going, and no good. 2-point attempt, no good for the Cyclones. Gonna kick it back to the Seagulls. This game might go back and forth like the past 2 games have gone back and forth. We'll find out. See if the Cyclones can do anything. Oh, there's going to be a lateral screen, a screen pass, and Maddox won't be able to do anything with it. Second down for the Seagulls, and it's going to be caught by Jaden, and he's going to get a first down, but he gets stopped. First to go for the Seagulls. Jason going deep. Caught by Dan. Touchdown Seagulls. Caught? No. Incomplete. No good on the 2-point attempt. Gonna kick it back to the Cyclones. Cyclones have kept the lead for the most of the game so far, for the whole game so far. Will they keep it like that? We'll find out. Going to go deep again, and it's going to be caught by Sincere. Touchdown Cyclones. 2-point attempt is good. 12-point lead now for the Cyclones. Neck and neck, back and forth. Who's going to make the first mistake, though? We'll find out. Jason looking, Going deep and caught by Daniel again. Touchdown, Seagulls. So far, no mistakes from both teams. 2-point attempt is not good. The reason why the Seagulls are not in the lead right now is because they have more missed 2-point attempts than the Cyclones right now. Seagulls need to fix that if they want to tie this lead or get the lead. And Sincere's gonna walk in. Touchdown, Cyclones. 12-point lead now for the Cyclones. Jason looking, and no good on the 2-point attempt. Going to kick it back to the Seagulls. Maybe the Seagulls can get something going. If they can get something going on offense again and start working on the defense, I think they might have a chance. Oh, looking for an onside kick. And Seagulls recover it. That could have been disastrous. Seagulls now. Jason looking, going deep, and caught by Jaden near the touchdown. Looking, and he's gonna dump it off to Maddox. Touchdown, Seagulls. Going for Dan over. Too high. 2-point attempt failed. 6-point lead for the Cyclones. Sincere has the ball again. He's going to knee it. First down for the Cyclones. We'll throw it to Sincere, and he's going to get past defenders. He might run it in. Sincere's walking. No one's going after him. He's going to walk out of bounds at the 45-yard line. First and goal for the Cyclones, and caught out of bounds. Going to redeem himself, though. Touchdown, Cyclones. And the 2-point attempt is going to be good. Sincere's been everywhere in this game. Sincere now going to kick it. Great catch by Dan. That was a quick one. Oh, Dan, he's off. He could run into the end zone. No, Sincere gets there just in time. First and goal, though. And almost a great one-handed catch, but second and goal now for the Seagulls. Jason looking good, and it's going to be caught by Joe. Touchdown, Seagulls. Joe and Maddox did switch teams in this game. Want that to be known, that's why they're on opposite teams right now. Jason going deep, and that would have been out of bounds either way. No good on the 2-point attempt again for the Seagulls, and they're going to kick it back to the Cyclones. Sincere is going to get it, and he is going to
25.
He might walk it in the end zone, to be honest. And he's going to knee it. First down for the Cyclones. Jason going deep. Nearly caught by Sincere. Incomplete. Jason looking, going deep again. This time he gets Sincere. Touchdown, Cyclones. 2-point attempt now for the Cyclones. Going deep, and no good. Nearly caught, but no good. Gonna kick it back to the Seagulls, and that's gonna roll out of bounds. First down now for the Seagulls. Going deep again. Gonna be caught by Dan. Oh, great defense by Sincere. Second and goal now for the Seagulls. Dan catches it. Touchdown, Seagulls, wide open. Jason looking, and gonna be good on the 2-point attempt. 6-point lead. We are now in the second quarter, and the Seagulls are gonna get the ball to start the second quarter. Oh, look for an onside, but Joe will get it. Cyclones have a chance to get back in the game. Jason looking, gonna go deep, and tried to get it to Dan, but great defense by KK. Jason now. And caught by Dan, first down. First and goal for the Seagulls. Jason looking, and gonna be incomplete. Second and goal now for the Seagulls. Have a chance to get the lead or tie it. Going deep, and great catch by Jaden. They can get the lead here with this 2-point attempt. And they're gonna get it. The Seagulls have a 2-point lead in this game, their first lead of the game. They're back in it. They're making this competitive. Seagulls looking to keep the lead, and great defense. Second down for the Cyclones. Seagulls hopefully gonna try to keep the lead. That's what they hope can happen. And gonna be caught by Sincere, but stopped. First and goal, Cyclones. Going deep and nearly caught by KK, but too far to reach. Second down. Gonna be caught by Sincere. Touchdown, Cyclones. Cyclones get the lead back again. Whoa. Maddox trying to throw it, and he's going to complete it to KK. 6-point lead now for the Cyclones. Seagulls had the lead. Cyclones get it back. Cyclones now going to kick it back to the Seagulls. No, they're going to get an onside kick and recover it. That's not good for the Seagulls. If Cyclones score here, they can get up by double digits. And it's going to be caught by Sincere, but stopped by Dan. First and goal now. And caught by Maddox. Touchdown, Cyclones. They now have a 12-point lead in this game. Seagulls, they're in trouble now. And, incomplete.
Yeah.
For the Cyclones. 12-point lead, though. Gonna kick it to the Seagulls. Oh, fumble! A fumble! And Sincere recovers it. That's not good for the Seagulls. And it's gonna be caught by Sincere, and he's gonna get in the end zone. Touchdown, Cyclones. Seagulls are blowing the game. Seagulls are blowing it. And caught by Maddox for the 2-point attempt. Now, will they kick it back? Yes, they will. Seagulls will actually have a chance to get back on offense after 3 straight drives from the Cyclones. Seagulls now, first down, going deep. And no good. Incomplete. Second down now for the Seagulls. Jason caught by Jaden. Might be third down now. Jason looking deep. Caught by Joe. Touchdown, Seagulls. Going deep again and almost caught it again. 2-point attempt is no good. 14-point lead for the Cyclones. Going deep, and it's going to be caught. Touchdown, Cyclones. Sincere has been the MVP of this game for the Cyclones. And he's going to get the 2-point attempt. Up by 22 points. Cyclones are blowing the Seagulls out of the water. And it's going to be rolled out of bounds. First down for the Seagulls. Jason now Looking, going deep. It's going to be caught by Jaden, but stepped out of bounds. First down now. Jason looking. And too high for Dan. Second down for the Seagulls. And it's going to be caught by Dan. Touchdown, Seagulls. Seagulls are trying to make this a game. They're trying to get back into it, but those mistakes earlier on are probably going to cost them this game. 2-point attempt now for the Seagulls. It is going to be good. 14-point lead now for the Cyclones. Going to kick it back to the Cyclones. If they don't start playing defense, they are not going to have a chance in this game. Jason going to go deep and caught by Sincere. Touchdown, Cyclones. Cyclones, a 20-point lead. Cyclones going to be caught by Maddox. 2-point attempt is good. Dude. Cyclones, they're probably going to come away with this. But you never know. Something shocking could happen. Seagulls get the ball down by 22. Jason looking for a receiver going deep and incomplete. Nearly picked by KK. Second down for the Seagulls. Jason deep again. Intercepted by Sincere. Seagulls cannot catch a break. So I think the Seagulls are done for, ladies and gentlemen. Seagulls had a chance to possibly win this game. They were up by 2, came back in the game, but lost control, made too many mistakes, and it's going to be incomplete. They have not, their defense has not been good at all. Cyclones second down. Incomplete again. Third down for the Cyclones. Jason looking, going deep. Caught by KK, wide open. Touchdown, Cyclones. 2-point attempt is good for the Cyclones. A 30-point lead for the Cyclones. We only got 2 more minutes left in the game. Cyclones are going to come away with the victory, but see if Seagulls can at least come out of the game with their dignity. And it's going to be caught by Dan. Touchdown, Seagulls. If the Seagulls can at least score a couple more times, 2-point attempt is good for the Seagulls. If the Seagulls can score a couple more times and leave with their dignity, then at least something good could come out of that. But Cyclones will get the ball back, and the way defense is, they might score again. No, incomplete for the Cyclones. Jason dropped it. It's going to be a third down. Going deep. Caught by Sincere. Going to get past the defender. Touchdown, Cyclones. Cyclones. 2-point attempt is no good for them. Going to kick it back to the Seagulls. And the Seagulls are going to run it in. Joe gets the touchdown for the Seagulls. Kickoff return for the Seagulls. Going deep and caught by Jaden. 2-point attempt is good. Onside kick and nearly had a chance there, but no. Sincere might run back with it, and he's going to. Touchdown, Cyclones. Sincere is definitely going to win MVP. 2-point attempt is good for the Cyclones. Kickoff return again to Jaden. He's going to return it back. Touchdown, Seagulls. Back and forth, but still the Cyclones have a huge lead. Great one-handed catch by Jaden. 2-point attempt is good. And Sincere's going to go in again. Touchdown Cyclones. And nearly caught, but no good for the 2-point attempt. Caught by Dan. Dan's going to run. Sincere might meet him. No, he will not. Touchdown Seagulls. Sorry. Going deep, and great one-handed catch by Jaden. 7 TDs for the game in the game for Dan. He tried to keep the Seagulls alive, but Cyclones are gonna walk away with this game. Oh my gosh, broke his ankles. Sincere's gonna get into the end zone. Touchdown Cyclones. 11 TDs in this game. Sincere's gonna win MVP. Cyclones win.